Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to add amazing stickers to your WhatsApp using sticker.ly app. So let's dive in. First of all, install the sticker.ly app from the Play Store if you have Android, or if you have iPhone, simply download it from App Store. After you have installed it, simply open it and make sure to make your account. As you can see, I have already made an account by signing on it Google. Then simply open and explore. Once you have installed, open the app, you will see lots of cool stickers, trending, funny memes, emoji, and even animated ones. You can also search for anything you like. You can search here anything you like sticker, or you can see here many funny stickers. Now step 3 is to add to step. When you find a sticker pack, suppose this is the sticker pack I want to add on WhatsApp, then tap on it, then hit the add to WhatsApp button. Sticker.ly will quickly export it to the WhatsApp. As you can see, here is the add option. Simply click on it. I have already downloaded this and added to the WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp. Simply open the WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp, go to any chat, tap the emoji icon. Suppose I want to put the emojis I have just downloaded. Go to the emoji section. As you can see, I have downloaded these emojis. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below your favorite sticker pack, and I will see you in the next one.